What's up, KP family? It's Karen P, and of course, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button. Turn your post notifications on. Give this video a big thumbs up, and of course, positive commentary. Feel free to put it down below, okay? Follow me on all social media platforms. It's Karen P, ITSKARENP, straight across the search bar. Listen, y'all see what the title is? So yeah, I'm going in, honey. I'm going all in. I'm going all in, all in. Oh, listen, y'all, let me show y'all what my dinner looking like for tonight, because y'all know, listen, your girl is on her weight loss journey, okay? So yeah, your girl is trying to get right, trying to get back right. Because like I stated before on my previous videos, honey, y'all know when I first started my YouTube channel, I was starting my, I was on my weight loss journey. I was working out, I was eating good, and I was giving y'all all the good content in regards to that. But, you know, your girl had done backtrack, you know, so I'm getting back with it, you know. Ain't no excuses. It's no excuses, y'all. But at the same time, you know, your girl made her own salad. You know, got a rotisserie chicken from Publix. Yes, honey, I love. It's the hot rotisserie chicken. Yeah, lemon pepper, and I added some pineapples. You know, some little shredded cheese. I forgot the cranberries. Oh, I'll put the cranberries in next time. And yeah, a little bit of bacon bits. Yeah. And for the dressing, y'all, if y'all been watching Karen P, y'all already know I love this dressing. Ken Steakhouse Sweet Fidelia onion dressing. Okay, y'all see it? All right, let me give y'all a little close-up of my salad. Get into it, get into it, get into it. Oh, and some type of cheese crisp stuff, because I had bought the little lettuce that came in a bag with some dressing, some $1,000 dressing, the little chop kit. And yeah, so I went on and just added that to it. But yeah, y'all, listen, y'all, let's do some celebrity gossip right now, okay? Let's do some celebrity gossip, because honey, it gets real juicy, okay? Oh, and what I'm drinking is a bottled water, okay? But yeah, listen, y'all. Honey, y'all been in tune with it lately? Y'all been, child. First, y'all, it was, it made me lie to y'all. First, it was, first of all, before I get into that topic, y'all comment down below if y'all like them golden showers. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like them golden showers, you know, on you, you know? Comment down below, let your girl know, because, honey, it's about to get real juicy in this mother. Y'all, first person I hear said, with my own ears, you know, I ain't read about it, I heard about it, was Kevin Gates. Listen, y'all, I love me some Kevin Gates, honey. Kevin Gates, his music is off the chain. But in other news, Kevin Gates said, yeah, he liked that, yeah, he liked the urine. I say, whoa, well, God damn it, say it ain't so. Wait a minute. You was a freaky mother joker. What? I'm just trying to picture like how that shit go down. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, ooh, baby, just, you know, baby, how it go? Cause honey, listen, your girl is a little curious. Okay, yeah, shit, I wanna know. Kevin Gates say, yeah, he like for his woman to say, oh my gosh, what? And then, not too long after that, y'all, I hear Young Miami say she like to get, she like golden showers. Now, wait a minute. Wait one motherfucking minute. What? This the world we living in? That's some real freaky, kinky type shit now. What? Honey, whatever floats they boats. But at the same time, honey, I'm rocking with what floats my boat. Because I'm all for it. Let me put that golden shower. Let me go. Yeah, let me put it on you. Yeah, well, why not? Why not? Let me go on and put the little, give you a little golden shower real quick. Let me know how it feels. Let me know how it tastes. Cause baby, Karen P is about that life. Yeah, shit. Why not? Listen, if I'm with somebody, my significant other, and he say, Karen P, put that golden shower on me. Go on the shower on me. God damn it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Honey, just like this, Omarion came out with the groceries, you know, eat it like some groceries. Baby, Karen P all for it. You wanna eat like some groceries? Which way you want me to give it to you? Which way? You want me on my stomach? You want me on my back? You want me on my side? Let your girl know, cause listen, I'm with somebody, I'm with my significant other, my man, and yeah, baby, come and get it. Yeah, come and eat it. Make sure you get real mother full off of it too. Cause yeah, your girl about that life. So I ain't finna sugarcoat nothing for nobody, okay? I'm gonna give it to y'all. You want fun of? I'm gonna get it to you. But yeah, Miami say yeah. Put it all on her, honey, pretty much. I ain't got no problem with it, cause like I said, I'm with a man. Give it to me. I mean, you want it, I'm gonna get it to you. I mean, cause I ain't finna. I don't want no golden showers on me, honey. I don't. You gotta get somebody else to do that. I don't want no golden showers on me, but I get it to him though. Yes, in that order. Let me know which way you want it. How you want me to position myself. Y'all comment down below what y'all think about them golden showers. Cause honey, you want the golden shower? Oh, you want to receive the golden shower? I'm a receiver. I want to receive it. I don't want to receive it all. No, I'm not. I'm a giver. I'm gonna give you that golden shower. I'm going to give you what you asked for. Just like that, sucking toes, honey. You want to? God damn it! Where you want it at? You want it on the bed? You want it on the couch? You want it in the shower? Cause honey, you want all 10 of them at one time, or you just want 5? Because I'm going to give it to you. Just what he asked for. I'm going to give it to him. Yeah. Why not? Tell me why not? Mm-hmm. I was like, ooh. Karen P, you so freaking. I got so. I showed them. I showed them. I'm real freaking. I'm real freaking. I like to be satisfied, and I like to give satisfaction as well. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I have a limit to my satisfaction. Don't get it twisted. Okay? Don't get it twisted. So, with my man, my significant other, should that time present itself, going all in. I'm going all in. So with that being said, YouTube family, y'all let me know. Y'all giving or getting them golden showers come Valentine's Day. Because y'all know Valentine's right around the corner. Mm-hmm. I'll tell y'all what. Start practicing. Start practicing. Baby. Like I say, when Kevin Gates said that shit, I was so damn shocked. Look. See the thing here, y'all. I already knew Kevin Gates is a freak. Okay. I listen to his music. I done seen his interview. I done seen his performance. Not live though, but I already know he a freak. I already know he a goddamn freak. God damn it. Kevin Gates. Hey y'all. Kevin Gates. And y'all Miami. Put y'all on to something if y'all ain't already there. Okay? Y'all take notes on them now. Go in to get them golden showers. Get them. Get them or do them. I'm all for it, like I say. So yeah, I guess I'm a freak. I'm a big freak. Listen, y'all. I think I'm giving y'all too much. I'm giving y'all too much, honey. Okay. What y'all should do? Go home. Go on and practice today. Go home and practice. Go on and practice. And let us see what it's like. Golden showers, the groceries, the toes. You know what I'm saying? To my all up. Just go home. Honey, man, listen, y'all. Put some spice in your life. Put some spice up in that bedroom. Trust me, you won't regret it. Excuse me. Damn, Karen P, you talking about you are... Listen. Wait a minute now. Y'all just make sure y'all get y'all some golden showers. Okay? Like I said, get y'all some golden showers. Get y'all some groceries. Go and eat y'all some groceries. You know, nib it on a little bit of toes, you know. Now, make sure y'all toes is nice and clean now. Don't be having nobody, Yeah, it's a little dirty foot one. Y'all make sure y'all on point. Your whole hygiene, period. Your whole body is on point before you go asking for favors. Okay? So yeah, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all up no more longer. That was something. I was like, oh my God. This some real celebrity gossip. I say I need to bring this to my KP family. Yes, yes. So I did it. I did it. So with that being said, y'all, y'all better get that feeling. No, listen, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all up no longer. Give this video a big thumbs up. Y'all comment down below like golden showers. Just golden showers. Groceries. Toes. Just comment down below. You know, spam the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Yes. And give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed. Be sure to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? Because, yeah, honey, this channel finna get real lit, okay? Because, y'all, I've been holding back a little bit, you know, because I was like, me and my brother and my sister-in-law, we was having a conversation in regards to my channel, you know? Like, Karen P, open up. Open up, Karen P. You holding back. You holding back. You holding back. You let the people in, but you ain't letting them in like the way they really want to be let in. So go on and give it to them. So I'm giving it to y'all. Excuse me, I'm giving it to y'all. Raw and mother uncut. Okay? Y'all know this here is the grown folks channel. Okay? This is not for churn. Okay? Not for churn. I should have made sure I said that right before I started my video, cause yeah. But yeah, this ain't for churn, honey. So yeah. Y'all. Spice up your sex life. Spice it up. If it's not already spiced up, spice it up. Yeah, don't be doing the same thing, the same positions each and every time. Like, that is not where it's at, honey. The same, shit. A chick get tired or a dude get tired. Switch that thing up, role play, you know? All that good stuff. Try some things, honey. Try some things, honey. I'm talking about get you a little candle, light that candle up, have your mate lay down, burn that candle, let that hot wax melt right on them. Ooh, chap. Ooh, yes. I'm talking about, listen, y'all, I be on a whole nother level. Like, I'm about that life, but that's only with the person that I'm with. I ain't finna be out here giving it. No, baby. No, baby. For one person and one person only. So y'all make sure, you know, y'all just keep y'all one mate. Satisfy that one person each and every single goddamn time. Okay? Yeah. Listen, y'all. I'm a trip. But yeah, so I took my brother and my sister-in-law advice. I'm gonna open up more. I'm gonna open up more. I think I've been like in a little shell, like cracking just a tiny bit. But now I'm going all in. Okay, I am going all in, y'all. So again, y'all be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up on this video. Comment down below. All that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? And comment down below like some other topics y'all want me to talk about. Because Karen P gonna get it to y'all, okay? Okay. And of course, be sure to follow me on all social media platforms. It's Karen P, ITS, KARENP, straight across the search bar, okay? I'm talking about golden showers. Ooh, child. Listen, y'all. Woo! Y'all be sure again to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all social media platforms. It's Karen P, your girl's out like OUT, okay?